Want a more reliable way to analyze website data with AI? Instead of pasting a URL into ChatGPT and hoping it reads the page correctly, or copying content manually and taking screenshots, you can extract structured data and run prompts on it directly. With RSS.app, you can pull titles, images, and descriptions from any website into a single feed that refreshes automatically as new content is published. Start by opening the website you want to analyze. This can be a blog, news site, or any public social media page. Copy the URL, then open RSS.app and paste it into the RSS generator. RSS.app will fetch the latest posts and turn them into a machine-readable feed. Save it to your account. Before exporting, clean up your data. Go to Filters to remove duplicates and include or exclude content based on keywords or publish date. If you're tracking an entire industry, use the Bundles feature to combine multiple websites into one unified dataset. Once your feed is ready, go to Settings and select Export CSV. CSV is a simple table format that allows AI to process large amounts of information without losing context. Now, just upload that CSV into tools like ChatGPT or Gemini. From here, you can run custom queries on the basis of that data, like summarizing trends or analyzing patterns across hundreds of posts instantly. That's it. Your research is now much faster, your prompts are more accurate, and you can re-export that CSV whenever you need the latest updates. Check it out today at RSS.app.